Magiging tanyag ang buong Pilipinas sa buong mundo pag si Ma'am Leni Robredo ang naging presidente ng ating bansa. Ayon yan sa United Pinks Worldwide. Anong masasabi niyo dito, mga ka-DDS? Well, mukha namang pretty and mabait si Ma'am Lenny. And one thing for sure, personally, sure ako, hindi corrupt si Ma'am Lenny. Pero, I have some few questions. Ilang taon na ba pinagsisilbihan ng Robredo family at ni Ma'am Lenny ang Naga City? Have Naga City received any national recognition and multinational recognition? Don't get me wrong. For sure, maganda sa Naga City with beautiful people. But have you received one of the safest city in the Philippines and even in the Southeast Asia? Naging achieve niyo ba ang cleanest city in the Philippines and even again in Southeast Asia? Isa sa pinakamagandang healthcare city sa buong Pilipinas? One of the most livable city in the Philippines, one of the most child-friendly city in the Philippines, isa sa mga pinakamagandang syudad sa Pilipinas na pwedeng mag-retire at mamuhay. Naka-receive na ba kahit isa lang doon? Si Naga City? Well, I'm sure Ma'am Leni Robredo is doing her best para maiangat to national standards si Naga City. Pero, paano niya gagawing tanyag ang Pilipinas sa buong mundo ni hindi niya magawa ngayon sa Naga City? Yun lang. I'm just wondering. It's a Friday. Have a great day, everyone.